Okay guys, today I want to share with you a easy and fast way to do breakfast or to make breakfast for your family, and that includes some frozen blueberries, strawberries, grapefruit and tangerine and banana. So you want to just slice here the banana. Depending on how much you want, it could be half a banana or the whole banana if you're like really hungry. And a croissant. And that will make a really fast breakfast if you're on the go and you don't have time to cook. And you will be very full and satisfied, and you'll also have a lot of energy. So this is my favorite breakfast when I'm on the go and I really don't have any time. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe, or this recipe. Blueberries, strawberries, grapefruit, tangerine, banana, and a croissant. And you can drink it with your favorite coffee or tea, and you're ready to go. Alright, see you next time.